Using an if-else conditional block, we're now going to check to see if the answer provided by the user matches the correct answer, which is provided by our answers list. So first I'm going to make sure I'm in control. Then I'm going to go grab one of those if-else blocks. If-else. And I'm going to move the if-else block to after I ask the question. And what I want to check is an equal statement. I want to see if the answer the user provided is equal to the answer that we're looking for, which is provided in the answers list. So I've got some coding to do. First, to find the answer, it's provided for you in the sensing area, right where you asked the question, and our question is based on the index selected. It's now going to check. It provides you and automatically creates a variable called answer. And I want to see if answer is equal to the answers list at the index. So again, I'm going to be using that item at of a specific list. And I'm going to be, the item I want to check is the item at the index. So if I'm on the second question, I'm looking for that second answer of snap. And the list I want to check for answers is the answers list. So I'm going to put that on the other side of the equals, and just in case I wasn't clear, the equal sign is found under operators, and there's an equal symbol there under operators. So I want to check if the answer provided is the same as or equal to the item at index of my group of answers. And when I do that, I have built myself a conditional statement that will either be true or false. So I'm going to grab this code. Remember, left side makes it the easiest to manage. I'm going to move it over till I halo into the if statement. Notice how this has the same shape as this, and it's going to grow to fit. So that works there. If the answer is the same as the index of answers, then the person got it right. And so I'm going to use, just for debugging, I'm going to say right, or I'm going to say wrong. Now I'm going to debug my program. I'm going to test my program to see if it's right. Information assigned a name. That would be a variable. I'm going to check it. Ooh, and it just goes right back. It didn't say it. So something, let me try again. Oh, it's not lasting, it's replacing it. Oh my, I did not consider that. So I want to make sure I say right for 2 seconds, and it's going to pause before it answers the next one. I think it's replacing it before it even gets a chance to say what it is. I'm sure glad I tested that, because I think that's what the problem was. Let's see if that's what the problem was. A group of related information stored via an index is a list, right? Then it asks the next question. Information assigned a name. I'm going to call that a wrong, because I want to see what happens when I get the answer wrong. It tells me it's wrong, and it asks me the next question. The programming language used in this class, let's just double check that. Right works. Right works. Perfect. Okay, so I now have this code detecting whether the user is entering the correct answer.